This is the best part of the dish. We mix it up. Oh, can you see that? Oh, get it all. Oh, Thai food never tasted so good. Annyeonghaseyo from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup, and today we are dieting in the kitchen with a cold noodle salad. Today it's the diet version of this dish because we've got all healthy things here. We have perilla oil, we have buckwheat noodles, and we have minari, sort of like a type of watercress. Take all these ingredients, put them together, and you're getting one of the best savory dishes. This is probably my absolute favorite Korean dish, and I can't wait to get started. I'm hungry, you might be hungry, so let's begin and get cooking. For this dish, you're going to need to use some minari. Now you can substitute it. Minari is a type of watercress, so substitute it with something that's green, crunchy, and flavorful. Now here's our Dulgireum. Dulgireum is perilla seed oil, and you can use chamgireum, which is sesame seed oil instead, but the flavors are different. And you must use buckwheat noodles. If you use other noodles, it's not the same. They're too thin and they'll sort of fall apart a little bit easier. Buckwheat noodles are sort of chewier, so they've got a different texture. Let's start by slicing up your minari into sort of the pieces that you want. Even looking at that now, I think I need to cut them more. So I got the scissors in there and gave them a good slice. The finer they're sliced up, just the easier it's going to be when you mix everything with the noodles. For our sauce that we're going to prepare for our minari, you can see the ingredients on, put those on and adjust to your own taste. A lot of people don't prefer the sugar, so just add a little bit less sugar to it if you don't really want that extra sweetness to it. The big one that is important is the vinegar. That vinegar is going to help because when we mix it with the other ingredients and the other things that we're going to prepare now, it goes really well with a little bit of vinegar flavor to it. For your buckwheat noodles, like I said, they're a little bit thicker, so cook them for about 4 minutes. Though after that time, you do want to get them into cold water and immediately stop the cooking process. You want these to be chewy and not too soft. The chewier they are, the better, without being undercooked. You don't want them to be crunchy. So make sure that they're sort of well washed as well, because we're also wanting to remove the starch. If you've watched any of my videos with these noodles, you know we want to get rid of the starch so that they're easier to eat and mix with the ingredients. For my one here, I'm only using a few noodles. I probably could have used a few more noodles here, and that goes better with the amount of sauce and ingredients I'm using. The noodles are a little bit wet. I've got a lot of liquid in there, but that's okay because I can put more noodles in later when I make some up for my wife. So I'm not too worried about that, but just adjust it depending on what you like. If it has a little bit of sauce on it though, that's fine. The flavor is still going to be great. This is dried seasoned seaweed, and it's a little bit salty. And it's delicious. This is the perfect savory kick. If you don't have access to this, you can get some gim packets, which are often used for having with rice, and slice those up finely. For the sesame seeds, I find it's good if you grind them up a little bit. You'll get a more powder sort of texture. It goes really well with the dish when everything is mixing together. And the final step, just an egg yolk. You can absolutely not add this, but this is a healthy diet dish, so a little bit extra protein won't hurt. Beautiful. Alright, let's eat this thing. Look at that. Oh, this is the best part of the dish. We mix it up. Oh, can you see that? Oh, look at that. Yes. Noodle salad, that's how you do it. Oh, Thai food never tasted so good. Oh, taste of Korea. There's a reason this is my favorite dish. I could eat this all night. And I'm going to start by at least finishing this plate. Thanks for watching. Make this at home. It's a great diet dish. Has sugar in it. Just use less sugar if you're worried about how much sugar is in it. Use a little bit less and then you'll have a great time. Dulgireum, you can use instead of Dulgireum, you're more than welcome to use chamgireum, but it's not going to be the same. Dulgireum has a very special taste, and if you've tasted it before, you know what I'm talking about. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Watch my next video. Watch my past videos. Let me know what your favorite Korean dish is. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.